Did you know that the reason your home never stays organized has nothing to do with laziness or lack of discipline, but everything to do with one fundamental mistake that everyone makes? What if professional organizers know this secret, but charge you thousands to implement it? I spent an entire weekend organizing my home perfectly, only to watch it fall apart within days. And when I finally understood why, everything changed. Stay with me, because this revelation will transform how you think about organization forever. The cycle that never ends. Picture this. You wake up one Saturday morning, absolutely determined. Today is the day you finally get organized. You watch organizing videos, you feel motivated, and you dive in. You sort through everything, you buy storage containers, you label things, you arrange everything beautifully. By evening, your home looks like something from a magazine. You feel accomplished, proud. You think, finally I've done it. This time it'll stay organized. The fatal mistake everyone makes. Here's the mistake that destroys every organizing effort. People organize for how they wish they behaved, not for how they actually behave. Let me explain with a real example from my life. I set up a beautiful filing system for important documents. Color-coded folders in a filing cabinet in my office. It looked professional and organized. But here's the problem. When I received new documents, I was usually at the kitchen table or in the living room. Walking to the office to file them properly? That never happened. The documents piled up on the kitchen counter. My beautiful filing system sat empty while chaos accumulated elsewhere. The solution that actually works. Here's what professional organizers understand. Effective organization follows the path of least resistance. You organize based on where things naturally land, not where they should ideally go. After I learned this principle, I observed my own behavior for 1 week. I noticed documents always ended up on the kitchen counter. So instead of fighting this, I placed a document tray right there on the counter. Now, papers have a designated spot where they naturally accumulate. I sort through the tray once a week. This system works because it aligns with my actual behavior. I noticed my keys and wallet ended up on the entryway table, so I put a small dish there. Now they have a home exactly where I naturally place them. I noticed my shoes scattered by the door. I added a shoe rack right there, not hidden in a closet. These aren't aesthetically perfect solutions, but they're functional solutions. And functional beats beautiful every single time when it comes to maintenance. The breakthrough came when I stopped asking, where should this go? And started asking, where does this actually end up? That simple shift in perspective revolutionized everything. My home isn't organized according to some perfect system. It's organized according to my life. And because the organization matches reality, it maintains itself with minimal effort. The transformation. When I reorganized my entire home using this principle, something remarkable happened. It stayed organized. Not perfectly tidy every moment, but the baseline organization held. Things had logical homes in the places where they naturally accumulated. Putting things away became effortless because away was wherever they naturally wanted to be. I wasn't fighting my own habits anymore. I was working with them. 3 months later, my home is still organized. Not because I'm more disciplined, not because I spend more time maintaining it, but because the systems I built actually match how I live. This is the secret that separates people whose homes stay organized from people who are constantly reorganizing. It's not personality, it's not discipline. It's system design based on reality instead of ideals. There you have it. The common organizing mistake that ruins everything. Organizing for ideal behavior instead of actual behavior. Observe where things naturally land, then organize accordingly. If this just explained why your organization never lasts, hit that like button right now. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more practical organization wisdom. Share this with anyone stuck in the organize mess reorganize cycle. Comment with your biggest organizing challenge. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. I'll see you next time. Until then, stay realistic, organize smart, and build systems that actually work for your life.